So now that you understand a little bit about network marketing in general and what to expect, let me tell you about my goal right now in helping you launch. My goal is to help you become independent from me or anyone else as quickly as possible. And what I mean by that is that you can operate on your own. You can handle yourself. You can take care of yourself. You're not needy. You're not dependent at all. You're independent. I want to help you become independent from me or anybody else as quickly as possible. Do you agree that that's a good goal? I hope the answer is yes. All right? And the other question I have to ask you, and I'd have you write this down for yourself. How long do you want it to take to become independent? If I was in your house sitting talking to you right now, we'd have a discussion about this. Do you want to take 3 months, 6 months, a year? How long do you want it to take? That's going to tell me how much to invest in you, how hungry you are, how excited you are about growth. The fact that you're here in this program, I'm assuming that you'd like to become independent as quickly as possible. Let's just put a placeholder of, say, 90 days. Do you think that would be a good goal if we can make 90 days happen? 90 days from now, you're independent, that you can operate with or without other people's help? Good news is I'm going to stay with you, right? This program, you can go as many times as you need to until you become independent. But I want you to think about how long you'd like it to take. Second thing I want to tell you is this is your business. This is yours. I will help, but you need to build it. Success or failure ultimately is up to you. If you succeed in this business, it's going to be up to you. If you fail in this business, it's going to be because of you. It's not your upline. It's not me. It's not your company. It's you. If other people can succeed, so can you. So I need you to take ownership. This training program is a powerful tool, but you still got to go do it. You could take all the notes, but you still got to get out there, right? You got to get yourself maybe a little bit uncomfortable. So in order for this to work, I need 3 things from you, just 3 things. And I think you'll agree that all of them are pretty easy to do. The first thing I need is for you to be willing. I cannot help you if you're not willing to do what's necessary, okay? I don't need you to fight me all the time. I just need you to say, hey, you've been doing this 35 years. You've helped millions of people. Maybe you know a little bit more about this than I do. I need you to be willing, number 1. Would you agree that that's a pretty easy task? Number 2, I need you to be coachable. I cannot help you if you're going to argue all the time, or you're going to try and justify, you're going to try and tweak it. No, I want to do it my way. I got a better idea. For 35 years, I've worked with people who had better ideas, and then they either leave the business or they come back and say, you know what, you're right. Sorry, this business is different. I need you to be coachable. Willing, 1. Coachable, 2. Third, I need you to be hungry. Hungry. I mean, if you're not hungry, you're not going to do what's necessary to get past your fear, get past your doubts, and get out of your comfort zone to do what you need to do. And here's the thing. For you to succeed, you need to be all 3. Willing, coachable, and hungry. 2 out of 3 won't work. 2 out of 3, I love you. I wish the best for you. I can't wait for you to get that third thing done. But all 3 are necessary. Willing, coachable, hungry. I don't need anything else. You don't need anything else. You don't need to do anything else. Here's what I will tell you. If you're going through this and you're finding that you're not having success, you're going to find the reasons why in these 3 things. Like, am I really willing? Am I really coachable? Am I really hungry? Or am I just talking about things? Right? So I want you to think about, are you prepared to say, yes, I'm willing, hungry, coachable?